Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss another data structure known as linked list. But before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will update it to my latest videos. So guys, let's start the video. Linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored at continuous memory. The elements in a linked list are linked using pointers. In simple words, a linked list consists of a node where each node contains a data field and a link to next node in the list. Guys, have a look at this image. Here is some important point about linked list. Each node carries a data field and a link field called next. Each node is linked with its next node using its next link. Last node carries a link as a null to mark the end of the linked list. Guys, let's move on to the types of linked list. Linked lists are of three types: singly linked list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list. Circular linked list contains nodes which have a data part and a link part, that is next, which point to the next node in the sequence of nodes. Doubly linked list is a linked list in which each node contains a data part and two link parts, one for previous node and second for next node. In circular linked list, last node of the list holds the address of the first node of the list, hence forming a circular chain. In my upcoming videos, we discuss these three types of list in more details, but now we shall move forward and look at the advantages and disadvantages of linked list. Advantages of linked list. Linked lists are dynamic in nature, which allocate the memory when required. Insertion and deletion operation can be easily implemented. Stack and queue can be easily executed. Linked list reduces the access time. Now, disadvantages of linked list. The memory is wasted as pointer requires extra memory for storage. No element can access randomly, it has to access each node sequentially. Reverse traversing is difficult in linked list. So guys, this is enough for today. In my next video, we will discuss the singly linked list in details and write some programs on singly linked list. Till then, solve these questions and comment your answers.